Okay guys, so we have Mitsubishi L200 2022 model. So phone is not working. We are going to replace the clock spring. So this horn part we will remove. So we will use this flat screw. We'll insert here in this hole so that we can push the lock of the front part. This left side and here in the right side. Okay. Here we push, then here in the lower side. Okay. Then we'll disconnect the connector. Okay. Then the connector of our airbag inflator, we'll use flat screw so that we can disconnect the harness connector. Okay. Then we'll loosen this 17 mm nut of our steering wheel. Okay guys, so we'll use 17 mm socket extension bar, and of course power handle. So we'll loosen the nut. Okay, make it sure the steering wheel in a proper alignment so that when we return the steering wheel, it will not off center. Okay, then we will tap. Then we will tap it here. Okay. So this is the clock spring. So it is very easy. You have to lock this lock. And here also push, then up, then this side push, then pull up. Okay. Then this is the new clock spring. Okay, we'll install the new one. Okay, we'll install the new clock spring. Push it down so that the lock will put in the proper place. Okay. We'll remove the lock of our plug spring. Okay. Then we'll install our steering wheel. Okay. Then we will put the nut. Then we will tighten using the 17 mm socket, extension bar, and our power handle. Okay. Okay, we tighten already the nut of our steering wheel. Next is we'll connect the harness connector of our airbag inflator. Okay. Then push it this lock. Okay. Then we'll install our horn pad. Then we'll connect the ground of our horn pads. Okay. Then push it down. Okay. So already lock. Then the harness connector here, we have to install. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so next we will return the cover of our steering wheel. This lower side cover of our steering column. Okay. Then the top cover of our steering wheel, the plastic cover. Okay, we will install the screw, mounting screw of our steering cover. Okay. Now it's time to testing our horn if working or not. Okay. So successfully done. We properly diagnosed. Thank you for watching guys. See you in next video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will notify to the next video tutorial. God bless everyone.